PQRS is a trapezium. PQ and RS are two parallel sides of the trapezium. A and B are midpoints of PS and QR respectively. Length of AB is 15 and the height of trapezium is 7.5 centimeter. Find the area of trapezium PQRS in centimeter square. Right. So first of all, let's just draw the diagram. So there is this trapezium. This is the trapezium P, Q, R and S. PQ and RS are two parallel sides, right? Also, it is given that A and B are midpoints of PS. A is the midpoint of this line, and midpoint of QR is B. So this is point B here, and we have to join these 2 points. We have to join these 2 points. The length of this AB is given as 15, right? This is 15. Now, the height of this trapezium is given as the height of this trapezium is given as 7.5 centimeters. So this much is given in the question. What is asked? Area of trapezium. We know area of trapezium is given as half into sum of parallel sides, which is PQ plus RS into height of the trapezium. Height is already given me as 7.5. So we have to find the sum of these two parallel sides, right? Now, if you know this concept that this line, when you join the midpoints of these non-parallel sides of a trapezium, this length AB, this length AB is the mean of these two lengths, right? I'm writing it separately. What is concept that the that this line, if I join the midpoints of non-parallel sides of a trapezium, the length of this side AB is mean of parallel sides, right? So PQ plus RS by 2. So from here I get PQ plus RS is equal to 2 times AB, which is 30. Also, let's just uh, derive this result. Okay, so I am drawing up perpendicular from this point. I'm drawing a perpendicular from this point. Also, I'm dropping a perpendicular from this point. Correct? Now, let's just see. Let's just see. I'm assuming this distance to be x, right? Because I have dropped perpendiculars, I know this distance also become x. Also, this distance would also become x, right? This distance here. Now, uh, take these three triangles. I'm calling this point as C and calling this point as D. Now in this triangle APC and triangle SP, and I'm calling this point as E and F, right? So consider this smaller uh, triangle and this bigger triangle PSE. 90 degree, 90 degree, right? This angle is common, two triangles are similar, right? It is given that it is given or it is given that A is the midpoint, right? So the ratio of corresponding sides of these two similar triangles would be 1 is to, this ratio is 1 is to 1, but this smaller triangle and this larger triangle, the ratio of corresponding side would be 1 is to 2, correct? So if this side, this side is y, then this side AC would become 2y, correct? And similarly for this triangle or these triangles QDB and QFR, if you assume this side as z, it becomes 2z, right? Because these triangles are similar and the ratio of their corresponding side is 1 is to 2 because B is the midpoint, correct? So this is Z, this is 2Z. Now let's just write PQ plus RS. From here, PQ is X and RS is 2y plus x plus 2z, or it becomes pq plus rs becomes, if I add these two results, I get 2 times of x plus y plus z. And what is x plus y plus z? It is this median AB, right? Which is formed by joining the midpoints of non-parallel sides. So from here also I get the sum of parallel sides as 2 times of AB, 2 times of AB, which is 30, right? So area of this trapezium would become half into sum of parallel side is 30 into height is 15 by 2, 7.5 it is given. So 3, this is 15. So I get 225 by 2, which is equal to 1112.5. Correct answer is option B.